My John Deere L108 won't crank at all and battery is fully charged. No click. How do I isolate the starting circuit from the safety switches?
Hi, my name is XXXXX. There are a few things to check. First, there is a fuse. It will be somewhere near the solenoid. It's a blade fuse. If that blows, it won't click or do anything. If that is good, then you can check the starter solenoid by either crossing the post with a screwdriver or jumping the mower from the starter. To find the solenoid, follow your red wire from the starter back. It will bolt to it, but check the fuse first, they do go bad.
Hi John, thank you for your prompt response. It appears the fuse is good. I removed the wire to the starter and it seems the starter does not have the power to turn the engine, even with the spark plug removed. I can turn the engine by hand, it is free, and other than the compression cycle it is without resistance. I now feel that the starter is bad. 1. How do I remove the starter so that I can have it tested? If it is in fact bad, do they sell brushes for the starters or do you have to buy a new one? I don't know if the Intech 18.5 horsepower motor is standard. I find a label on the motor that has BG 20364, and there that it has GXL108 A013187. Other than that, I do not find a data tag with the make, model, DOM, etc. Looking forward to your assistance and reply. Jeff Jolly 704 NNN/span XXXXX at XXXXXX. 30 am here for you.tsfl.com/explore.
Have you tried jumping the starter directly? You can use jumpers from the car. Hook them up to the battery and take the other black one and ground it by clamping it to the frame. Take the red one and tap or make contact to where the red wire hooks up to the starter. It will spark some at contact. If the starter turns over, then most likely it is the solenoid, which do go bad. But you will be able to make sure it will start the tractor, John.
Hi John, I tried jumping it as you said and had no results. There was not enough power to turn the engine. I had a full charge on the battery according to my voltmeter. I finally took the battery off, as it was the easiest thing to remove, and went to the auto parts store and had the battery tested. The cells were bad and there was no cranking amps. As soon as power was required, the meter dropped to 0. I replaced the battery and it started right up.
Okay. Glad you figured it out. Usually it will be the battery or solenoid, but the stator will start grinding or slipping before going out. I'm glad you were able to fix it.
Thanks for helping me to narrow it down and separate which end of the horse I needed to look at. It helps to remove as many distractions as possible to help zero in on the cause. Thank you and have a healthy day. Jeff Jolly, NNN/P30 XXXXX. 30 am here for you. tsfl.com/explore.
No problem. Thanks, John.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.